Today, we're showing you how to add a payment method on Walgreens online account. Plus, if you want to get your Walgreens order delivered in under an hour, use DoorDash and enjoy free delivery on your first order. You'll find our exclusive link waiting for you in the description below. To start, go to the website walgreens.com and click on the account option in the upper right corner of the screen. A side tab with several options will then appear. Click on the option that says Sign In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. After entering the email and password, click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account at the middle part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Profile. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says Payment Methods. Here you will see your saved payment methods. Scroll down to the bottom, then click on Add a new payment card. A pop-up tab will then appear. On the field provided, enter the card number. Then, on the following fields, enter the expiration date and the security code of the card you wish to add. Once the necessary information is entered, and if you wish to save it as your preferred payment method, click on the checkbox beside Save as my preferred card. After that, select a billing address. You could choose to select your current billing address or you could just add a new one. Click on the option you wish to choose. Then click on Save. That's how you add a payment method on your Walgreens online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.